Hello everyone. Divide the hair into 3 portions. Divide both of the sides at the top into 2 portions, join them in the middle. On the other side, make 2 braids, join it all together. Take the front section of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Take another section right beneath it and then add another rubber band. Do this one more time and at the base, braid the hair. Next, divide one side of the hair into 3 portions. For the middle portion, braid it. Joining the other 2 sections, braid it. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a ribbon with a bow to it. Using the sections of the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Make 2 braids out of it. Divide the hair into 4 portions, make 4 braids out of it. Roll the upper braids upwards and make this bow shape out of it. Start off by combing the hair and then add multiple rubber bands to the front. Take a section off the back and then tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, make a heart shape out of the braids. Start off by tying 2 ponytails at the top. As for the bottom, divide it into 3 sections. Divide the middle section into 2 portions, add multiple rubber bands, braid the top, roll it up. Section off the front of the hair, add a rubber band to the top. Roll the hair in on itself and make a heart shape out of it. Add another section right underneath it, make a braid at the bottom, roll it up. Make a section off the top of the head and then divide this into 2 parts. Begin to braid this hair. As you progress with this braid, add more sections into it. As for the other section, begin to braid this as well and include more and more sections into it. Join it together in the center. Make a braid out of it and then roll it upwards. This is the fishtail braid. Next, section off the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side, join it at the back. Do this until you reach the base and then braid the hair. Take a section from the front of the hair, add some serum or anything to it, and then begin to braid it. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp. That is the rest of the scalp before the central parting. This is what it should look like. Slowly begin to take a slight turn once you reach the middle. Section off the front of the hair, divide it into 3 portions and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into it. Make sure that the braid is on one of the edges, that is the edge towards the ears. Braid the rest of the hair normally, add a rubber band once you are done. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Add a stick through one of the sections, roll it in on itself. Do this for the front. Join them together in the middle, braid it, join it to the back, braid the bottom, roll it up. Section off the top of the hair, make 2 sections out of it, make 2 braids. Make a bow shape out of it, add a hair stick. Roll it upwards. Divide the bottom of the hair into 2 parts. Add some hairspray to the hair. Comb the hair into place. Take a small section of it and then braid it. Roll the braid upwards, add a ribbon or a bow to it. Add multiple sections to the front of the hair, make a braid out of it, roll it up. Braid the rest of the hair as well. Thank you for watching.